What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, let me ask you something. Are you a teenager or you an adult that have a teenager? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online as a teenager. If that sounds appealing to you, you better stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
You're watching App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online as a teenager. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And please give me a like. It really helps out this channel and helps out this video. Now, I'm not going to waste you guys' time. I'm going to go ahead and jump into this right now. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how I can make money online as a teenager. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this first website. I'm going to show you a couple of websites now. Now, this website is brand new. I've never talked about it before. So you're going to get something new. And since if you're a teenager and you're just getting started, this is the perfect website for you. Now, it says on here, earn extra cash online. And the name of this website is YCents. So YCents is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, figure 8 tasks, and more. So it's free to sign up, as you can see. And it says here it has paid surveys, so you earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products and services and much more. You have cash offers, get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, and watching videos and more. Then you have the figure 8 tasks, which is earned by completing simple tasks from the comfort of your home, earn bonuses, and participate in weekly contests. And then here's one thing you can tell your friends to help, you can help your friends so you can get referrals. So share YCents with your friends and watch your earnings grow. You will earn 30% of what your referrals make, which is fantastic. Now, let me just go to one other thing I want to show you here. Go to menu. I'm going to click on Cash Out. Okay, as you can see here, here's a lot of options they give you when you cash out. So you can get Amazon gift card, movie tickets, airline tickets, bookstores. You have Best Buy on here. You have restaurants, eBay, Foot Locker, iTunes, department stores, sports shops, and most importantly, PayPal. And mostly everybody has PayPal all around the world. So if you want to just get the cash right away, you can use PayPal. So this is all I'm going to show you about this website. And because I have one other website I want to show you. So please don't click away. Please wait and check out this next website I'm going to show you. So if you're ready to go ahead and start making money on this site, go to ysense.com. All right, I'm on the next site. And this is another new site I've never talked about before. So the name of this site is called YouGov. So it is a survey site, but it is very different than the others. So it says here, earn money for answering questions and surveys. Express your opinion about interesting topics, and get paid. Get your opinion featured in the news. So that's what's different about this site. You're not going to only make money, but you're going to get your opinion shown on national news. Very, very popular news media outlets. So it's free to join, and you earn money for answering questions and surveys. You earn points for taking part in YouGov surveys, which you can turn into cash or vouchers. So here's some of the vouchers right here that you can use once you build up enough points to cash out. So it says here, tell us what you think about interesting topics. On any given day, we might ask you your opinion about your favorite brands, to breaking news, or what you watch on TV. Get your opinion featured in the news. Because YouGov's data is constantly featured across the media spectrum and shared on social media, your opinion will shape the news. We'll even email you when that happens. Wow, that's very different. And as you can see, you can get featured in USA Today, HuffPost, Chicago Tribune, and Fox News. So here are some of the testimonies. Here's one female right here said, I like the opportunity to express my opinions on the wide variety of topics. One here in Texas, a male in Texas said, it is such an honor to be part of the YouGov family and taking surveys. I love the surveys. So those people are definitely satisfied using this site. And it's also available on an app. You can get it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. And here's one other good thing that you guys always ask me about. Is this available all around the world? And yes, it is. Right here where it says global sites. And as you can see, Australia, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, Italy, Mexico, Middle East, Pakistan, Spain, Sweden, Thailand, United Kingdom, United States, Vietnam. So that's half the world. So this site right here is a very good site for you to get started on. So if you're ready to get started making some money from this site, just go to today.yougov.com. All right, now you know the sites you can go to right now to start making money online as a teenager. So go ahead and go to those sites, sign up, and start getting this cheese. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, if you can scroll down to the description below, and you're going to see where it says free giveaways. Now, to get those free giveaways, you need to be a subscriber to this channel. All you have to do is just hit that button where it says subscribe, and it's going to turn colors, and it's going to say subscribe, and you're all set. Then go ahead and scroll down there in the description, click on that link where it says free giveaways. It's going to take you to a website where you're going to see 3 free gifts. And all you got to do is just click on those 3 free gifts links, and it's going to download to your computer, and that's absolutely free. That's from me to you guys. It's going to help you on your journey to make more money online. All right. that's all I have for this video. Before you leave, please hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. Like I said before, it really helps out my channel if I can get a lot of likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And also, let's put this in the comment section if you're ready to make some money. Hashtag making money now. Put that in the comment section for me. That lets me know that you watched this video all the way to this end, and it lets me know that you're very, very serious about making this money. And please share this all around the internet, because I really truly want to help everybody I can and help me get to 2,000 subscribers, because once I get there, I'm going to give out some free money to some people. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. All right, thanks again, Grind family, for watching this video and watching all my videos. And one more thing before I go, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Deuces.